I wanted to do the Tantra practitioner training because, number one, I adore Chantel. She's been a Tantra teacher of mine for many years. She was my very first Tantra teacher, actually, and a mentor as well. And so when I look to someone for advice, for support, to see how I can grow in this tantric field, and also how I can support myself and support others in their relationships and their sexuality and all the things, Chantel's someone that I look to for that and have done for many years. And so when the Tantra practitioner training came along, it just seemed like a really, really good way to get that kind of mentorship, and get it over 12 months as well. Because one of the things is that, like, I really appreciate one-on-one sessions and I really appreciate time with someone, but it's another thing to have someone so regularly over 12 months and to have her wisdom, like little injections into my life, into my heart, into my spirit, so consistently over 12 months, and something I can replay whenever I want. It's been really, really good. And something that I find being in business for myself is that there's a lot to deal with. There's the expertise of what I bring to my clients, the integration I have in myself, whatever is going on in my life, and that feeding what I'm doing and how I show up. And then there's also like running the business as well, and everything that comes with that. And it's a lot. It's really a lot. So I think being a solo entrepreneur is a big job, and it's also really nice to not have to do that all by yourself. So I also really appreciated this training because I felt like I wasn't doing it all by myself. Like, I felt like I was being supported by Chantel, by the Embodied Awakening team, by my other students that were, going through it with me. So yeah, I just kind of felt like I was being lifted by the tide of this training on many ways, for my personal process, professionally, in many different ways. I really felt the support from this training, and very much appreciated having Chantel specifically to infuse me with her energy and her transmission, which I feel this kind of resonance with. And I guess I see myself a little bit in her, or see her in me. So I appreciated getting this kind of top up so regularly throughout the year.